Hello everyone, this is Curtis Weed Whacker here. Hey, how y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great out there. Hey, what I'm doing today is I'm sharing some videos of some old clips that I had taken a while back when I was out there grinding. I had to get that hustle on, so I was hustling, doing these lawn care jobs, and so what I'm doing today is I'm gonna take and share just some old clips of some of these older some older videos when I was out mowing some lawns and all. And I mean, whoa, I was just looking back and I was thinking about it. And I said, wow, I was putting some time in out there mowing these lawns. Some of them I would show up on, and man, they were overgrown, and that would take extra time. And wow, all that extra time. Now I wasn't getting compensated for all that extra time that I was putting in on doing those lawns, but it was tough. It was tough. But I stuck with it, and I was able to get the job, completed and all. So when I look back, it was a lot of fun. Some of it was fun, and some of it wasn't fun. It wasn't fun when they start calling you because of that rain and you wasn't able to mow the lawn. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. Let's get into
Hello
this
everyone,
right
this is
here.
Curtis from Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is Sunday and I'm out here working.
All right, as you can see,
it ain't stopping, y'all.
yeah, I done
My
showed
phone is
up
still
and
ringing. I just got
I'm up
another
here
call for another job
explaining
to do
about
tomorrow,
what I'm doing
which will
here.
be Monday, and it just continues. So I'm back. I have my weeklies, and then I have my bi-weeklies that I take care of.
I must say I was very busy.
It's just a go, and that's what I've been doing. So once I just showed up at a property, this one right here, I'll give y'all a quick view of it. This one right here, this is the way it's looking right here. As you can see, it's back high.
Yeah, see, that's one of those
so I gotta get in
lawns
here and
right
see
there.
about getting all of this here all taken care
That took
of.
some time.
See if I can make it look good again.
Get in there and take care of that.
Due to a little rain, the grass is growing
Just thinking
quick.
about it.
So they called me to come get it. So that's what I'm doing. So once I finish this, I got another one across town to go do. And I'm gonna see if I can get that one done. So just give me all a quick view of the way it looks.
I would come over and
it's kind of high.
take care of that.
But
wow.
what can I say? It's all
Then
work.
the sidewalk.
So you gotta stay in it.
Have to put an edge job on it.
That's what I've been doing, y'all.
When it was overgrown,
now
I got
work
it in
7
shape.
days,
When I first started working on that property.
Me, so this is one of them weeks I had to do 7 days. But anyway, guys, I was just sharing this a little bit with you. And what I'm finna do right now, I'm finna get my mower off the truck.
There's a lot of work I had.
See if I can get into it.
Just get in there and just do the job.
It'd be a lot
just do it
quicker and faster if I had the Gravely. I could run over this and shoot. If I could finish this, in probably like about 10-15 minutes if I had the Gravely. But I don't have the Gravely, so I gotta use the right. The right's gonna take it on down for me. Gonna take a little time, but we're gonna get it, y'all. So let me get this here more off the bed of this truck here and get it into the lawn and see if I can get this here all taken care of for the customer. All right, y'all, stay tuned.
All right, guys. Got the right down, so we're gonna get that mowed down. And a lot of times when I would show up to this property, I'd always debate whether I should edge it first or mow it first. And some properties you just want to get in there and get it mowed and then come back and edge it, because it's just going to be quicker to mow it down first and then get it all edged up, because it's just quicker. Because when you look over the lawn, you're like, wow, I got all that all taken care of. So on this one, oh yeah, you get in there, mow it, edge it, trim it up and everything, and oh wow. Now, just working on the front, was, quick if it's not too overgrown. Sometimes it'd be overgrown a lot due to the rain and the heat. That'll make it really grow. It rain and then that sun come back out on it. Oh wow, you gonna have yourself something there. Have yourself a lot of work. I mean, it takes time to make it look real good, give that good clean appearance. Whoa. So this is one of these jobs where you get in there and you mow it and edge it up and trim the hedges and just put the work in on it. So see right there, that's why I got the trimmer just to share that with y'all of me getting that edge.
All right, guys, I got this one here all finished up.
So now
took quite a bit of time to get it. I mean, it was a lot of work in this one. When I got to that backyard, man, was it some work in that one. Ooh,
I got it taken care of.
Backyard. It was something overgrown. Well, you know how I was looking when I first got here, but I managed to get it taken care of. I put some time into it and got it all mowed up, trimmed up, and everything edged up and blown off and all. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. This here is the way the front yard looks right here.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
I was able to get it all mowed and
see, that's what I'm talking about. Getting in
just
there,
edged up and everything on
getting it all trimmed up, and got the hedges trimmed.
When you're working on these types of jobs,
I got the backyard all taken care of.
Put some time in it, so you can make it look good, clean appearance. And that's what I did. I took my time and just got it all mowed up and all. So, got this one out the way, y'all.
Okay,
so get it over with.
We're gonna be moving on.
Hot and work through the heat.
Get to another property in a minute.
And that's the main thing. As long as you got it, you got your customer all taken care of. So that's one accomplishment you should be happy about. That you got your customer all taken care of. That's right. So that makes me happy. Got my customer taken care of. So now, finna take off and see what else I can do, y'all. All right, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys. I'm at another property here.
I'm at another property. This is an apartment complex.
Apartment complex that I have on my list here. I'm trying to catch up. Hey, how you doing there? All right. Yeah. So about got this one here all mowed up. Well, not mowed, but I'm finna mow it. But what I got to do to it now is just mow it. I got to let's see what I want to do. I got it all edged up. That's what I'm thinking about. Let's take a look at it. Okay, I got the ditch area. I got a few more pieces of paper in here, so I got to get all of that out of there.
Oh yeah, now that ditch.
Just basically get it all mowed over here. So
sometimes when I would show up to
area right here
mowed,
I already took care of the back side of
trash, cans, bottles, paper, all kinds of stuff
and everything.
And I'd have to rake all that up and bag it up and everything.
Just gonna mow it now. Then come back and blow it, get all this paper and rake it all up and everything.
You know what it is,
get that up, make it
you try to keep it clean.
Look good. See a few pieces of paper right here.
People just like
that. I always have that in the way, so I just got to rake that up.
Just throw it on the ground.
And
they don't
it's going to take a few minutes to
and you pick it all up.
Get that all taken care of.
Clean, looking good.
Got that piece of cardboard there. Got to get that out the way.
The next time I show up again to do it,
it's not too much. I got my plastic sack, so I'm gonna go on and rake this here up.
It may be less, sometimes it may be more.
Get it a little bit.
And that's time consuming.
Share that a little bit wide
to pick all that, paper and bottles and cans and all that up. Where you could actually get it. You could got the lawn all mowed.
So that's what I'm finna do now. I'm gonna get my rake and I'm gonna rake that up right quick, and then I'm gonna mow it. Hopefully won't have any pieces of paper in there and create a bigger mess. So stay tuned. Let me get that taken care of, and then I'll share
Oh yeah.
the after results, the way everything looked after I finish
So the thing is just
on it. Okay. All right, guys.
get in there.
Stay tuned now.
And this is when I was grinding, guys. I was hustling hard. Got the more. That's when you go get it. Oh yeah. Waste no time. Hustle. If you're gonna get it, you gotta go. Go get it. Oh yeah. Now we'll take care of that. Take care of the front, and also they have a little bit in the back of the complex there that I would also.
All right, guys, I got it all
attend
finished
to.
up and everything. Took a little time, but got it. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Okay, this here is the way it looks. See, I got it all mowed
All right,
up,
guys, I got it all
edged
cleaned
up
up,
around
got
the
it
side,
mowed,
trimmed,
got
and
all the paper picked up and everything.
you know, working
and
in the
hey,
ditch area. Got that all trimmed up and all.
that's a wrap.
Got
on
it all
that
mowed
one.
and all. So
Got it all
got
looking
this
good and clean
all taken care of.
until the next
now-
time. Oh yeah.
Finna,
And there was
get
always
up
the
outta
next
here.
time.
It's been a long day. So, what can I say? It's been dealing with the heat. I'm sweating a little bit. So, just glad to get that one over with. So
It
now,
was hot out there too. Ooh, hot. That heat ain't that nice.
I'm finna get on to something else.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Stay tuned.
Just gonna grind.
All right, gotta go now. Bye.
All right, guys. I'm out of here.